The discovery of regulatory T cells and the gene FOXP3 really were central to our understanding of immune tolerance. And by understanding the role of regulatory T cells and how they fail to function in autoimmune diseases and allergic diseases, it's opened the door for our ability to create therapies that can enhance regulatory T cells, actually create regulatory T cells, or train cells to become regulatory. The exciting news is that all of these approaches are being used and are in clinical trials today. So our hope is that someday soon, we'll be able to use regulatory T cells to restore immune tolerance to individuals suffering from immune-related diseases.